What a tough life you have, huh? Hi everyone. I am gluing my glasses together. Stay away from that. These are my my quartzite flea market sunglasses. I had two pair of them, a brown lens, and these are black lenses, gray, whatever. And these are the ones I wore the most. And one of these earpieces, actually that one on this side here, this earpiece that's closest to you, it broke a while back. And the other day, I went digging through some of my tool storage there, and I knew I had some kinds of glue. So I found this Gorilla Glue, and I glued this one back together, and it was perfect. And I put them on and started wearing them, and the second day, the other one broke. So I guess these have a definite lifespan, and I reached it. So I just glued this other side, and hopefully these will hold together. I mean, these are nothing. I think they were like 15 bucks, but they do have polarized lenses, and I've liked them, but I'm going to replace them when we get down to Quartzsite. Hopefully this same woman has her sunglass booth set back up, and we can go pick up some new pairs. We're just out for a walk, and I just turned around and noticed that. That was not like that yesterday. It's so weird. It's the only hill that has snow on it. Like, see those? Those look to be, oh, there's a little bit right down there. Just a little bit. Oh, right there. But this whole mountain right here is just white. And there's ones that are like right along next to it, and they're not covered like that. So that one got special. It won the lottery last night, I guess. Wow. That looks great. Okay, I just turned around the other direction and saw some more. This is looking westerly. Wow. And then right there is another one. So cool. Sorry about the jittery. It's so funny. I turn around and bam, there's a big white mountain staring at me. Cause it's like 45 degrees down here where we are last night. So that's another, I don't know, probably a few thousand feet higher than us, which brings it down into the freezing zone. But they're so white. So white against the sky and all these green fir trees. Looks crazy. And then there's the one we looked at a minute ago. Look in that direction. So here we're coming up directly across from Turtle Rock. And let me zoom in here and show you. If you remember the video where Lefty took us right out to the edge of a cliff, there was a pine tree right as we got to the edge. That's the tree right there. So that's the cut that we were in. And that's where we were looking out over that cliff edge. To see it from over here, the camera isn't doing it justice. It's up there. Thinking back on it, we're a little bonkers. But we were safe. I had really good hold on him. His harness is very strong. His rope is very strong. So we were good. Okay, puppy. Oh, your friends out there to play? They're listening to you. Yes, they are. What you doing? Huh? Why you grumbling? He always wants to go down the cliffs. Left. Easy, puppy. It's a little too steep for me. Hey, hey, hey. Nope. No, we're not going that way. Come on up here. Up, up, up. Come on. That's not up. That's across. Whoa! Leave your mark. Oh, nice try. No. Left. Up here. Hey. Shh. No, no, no. Come up here. There you go. Okay. Thanks everyone for being here with us today. We're playing with snowstorms here in Colorado, so it's about time for us to move on and get out of here. Yes, I always say us. Me. It's time for me to get out of here. Oh, those of you that ask, that dog, the folks that owned him, they came by later that evening looking for him. I guess woman was giving him a bath and he took off. That's why he didn't have a collar on. They live just up like at the top of the valley we were in there. They came by looking for him. Then they had like I think a karate match or something, so the guy couldn't come and look for him. He had to go to that, I think it was a karate match for his kid. And then when that was done, they got in their pickup and drove around looking for him. And my friend David was out walking with him up and down the road when those people came through and grabbed him. So he's fine. He got back home, and his name was Samson. He was so we were looking at him. Remember I said he had a big fat head? So David and I were looking at him, and I'm like, he looks like Mastiff and like Chocolate Lab. And that's exactly what he was. He was Mastiff and Chocolate Lab mix. So he was a, big sturdy dog. Sweetest dog. I gave David some Lefty's food, and then he cooked some chicken. So the dog was, doing pretty well, being taken care of by David and me. But they got him back, so he was back home. Beautiful dog, really sturdy, and a full male. He was fully intact, but remember I said like they had a moment, like they had just a little growl, but they were fine. I'm sure they were fine, Lefty and him, but I didn't know him, and you don't know if a dog running around is carrying heartworm or anything like that. So I was a little apprehensive about letting Lefty out there with him. In hindsight, he was a fully taken care of, healthy dog, but really sweet dog. So I'm glad that his folks came and found him. I was talking my friend into, I was talking David into keeping him. I'm like, you're going to keep him, right? And he was sad to see him go just that one day. He was playing ball with him all day. He was a ball dog. He would not let go of chasing that ball. It's the kind of dog where you just got to throw the ball all day for him. Lefty's never been a ball dog. Never a retriever. When I would throw things, he would run after them sometimes and then just go on past them and keep on going. He was never a chaser and a retriever kind of dog. And that's fine. He was, he's okay. I wasn't really a ball person, so I was okay with that. What are you grumbling about? Here, say hi to everybody, okay? And say goodbye. Those of you that are Lefty fans, if you're not on our Instagram, you should go to our Instagram and follow to see pictures. I do a lot of pictures of Lefty on there. Pretty much like 90% of the photos are of Lefty. So if you're a Lefty fan, go over there and check him out. But thanks y'all again for being here today. Take care, be safe, and we'll see y'all again really soon. Say goodbye to the folks. Okay? Say goodbye to the folks.